this is Viand. It's not your product that you're selling, so there's nothing wrong with that. Just for you to acknowledge your kindness. Guys, take a look. She told me to give me some tahong. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I really love tahong, guys. What's tahong in English? I forgot eh.
Muscles na yung nasa
Yeah.
isip ko.
Yeah, it's mussels. Jane, thank you so much for your kindness. I'm gonna bring this in home.
Yeah, don't film me na lang.
And then I'm gonna cook rice together with my dried fishes. So it's a midnight snack. Hopefully that this will not spill out on my eco bag. Thank you, Jane. Thank you, Jane, for your kindness. I really appreciate your kindness. Say hi.
No. Camera shy. Eme
Ah.
lang. Oh, no. Stop.
Bye for now.
Bye.